Hello YouTube, my name is Farlan and welcome to another video of lifestyle and sneakers. Today we're going to do another unboxing, so stick around. If you've seen my video about my top 5 releases for the second half of September, you'll probably guess what this one is. And I actually had 3 pickups last month of September. The first one I already unboxed and reviewed for you guys. It's the New Balance 990 V5 in collaboration with Engineered Garments. And you guess it right, another New Balance. So this one is another collaboration. This time it's New Balance and Red Wing. It's actually the New Balance 997 silhouette. And Red Wing is a boot manufacturer from the US. It's a very popular brand amongst workwear or outdoor wear enthusiasts. And from the pictures I saw, I am expecting big things from this sneaker, and I hope it lives up to that. So anyway, let's open it. Wow, the first thing that you'll notice about this pair, it's the leather quality. The leather quality is very good. So now let's take a look at the details. So it's an all-over tan upper, mostly suede, and it's a very nice suede material, very soft. It has a long hair suede. Anyway, it's very soft, very premium, and it's present here in the toe area, the midfoot, and the heel. Then you have hits of this leather. So from what I read, it's a pig skin leather, and it's very supple, very soft to the touch. And it's here, present here on the midfoot area, on the New Balance logo on the outline, on the top of the lace loops, on the tongue, and even the sock liner. It's made out of this supple pigskin leather material. And you have contrast stitching here. It's white or like an off-white or a sail contrast stitching all over, except for the heel area. On the heel area, you have this navy contrast stitching on the heel cup. So that's a very nice touch. And then you have the insole here with the New Balance and Red Wing logo. And again, the sock liner is very nice. And then we go to the midsole. The midsole is your typical New Balance 997 midsole with the cap technology to keep your heel in place. Anyway, the color on this one is very similar to the color of the Red Wing boots. If you're familiar with them, the midsole of their boots is like this color, but I think different material, but it's the same color. So you have on the midsole, you have 2 kinds of material. It's the EVA foam here on the midfoot area. Then on the heel area, it's a denser foam, or a rubber and foam combination. So then you have the heel cup here in a maroon color, so it locks your heels in place. Then when you look at the outsole, it's the same New Balance 997 outsole. This one, it's in a rust or a dark rust color. And yeah, so that's it for the shoe, for the materials, for the details. And it's really hard to it's really hard to explain, or it's really hard to show the quality of the materials in the on camera, but if you can get the shoe and touch it and feel it, you'll see that the materials here are very premium. So and the look actually captures the Red Wing look. So if you're familiar with Red Wing, you're gonna see their product. It's captured on this shoe, from the contrast stitching to the color of the outsole, and of course the quality of the leather. And it's very, very nice. The question is, did this shoe meet my expectation? And the answer is very much so, and I like it a lot. And yes, this actually retailed for released last month, late last month, and it retailed for $300 US, and I think it's worth it very much so, because the quality of the materials that was used, and it's like the money you paid for it is justified by the materials. So that's it. And it's a New Balance 997 made in the USA. So the standard one will cost around $200, but collaboration between Red Wing and the New Balance and the materials used, it's very much worth the price. So anyway, I hope you like this video, and if you do, please press the thumbs up button down below. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button. Also, please follow us on all our social media accounts. We have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and TikTok. And we have a brand new giveaway. We're giving away a sneaker of your choice as long as it's below 10,000 pesos or $200 US. Please check the mechanics down below. Again, my name is Froilan. Until next time.